Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're looking for a little peace and quiet, then you gotta check out these wax earplugs that come in a set of 50. I do love the fact that you can get several uses out of each set of earplugs you use. They're very easy to use. I found that just rolling it or squishing it between your fingertips for a few seconds to soften it really did help it be pliable or moldable to get a good fit in your ear. I love the fact that you can use this if you have a migraine or a headache and just want to eliminate some of the noise. I found that they were very comfortable to use. My husband and son love to play the guitar, but sometimes it can be a little too noisy for me. So I do love the fact that I can just pop these in and be able to enjoy the music at a much lower level. The company does a great job of packaging these. They give you these little travel cases, which make it very easy to tuck away in your suitcase or your bath bag or even your gym bag. So if you're looking to turn down the volume wherever you are at, or just want to sleep a little bit more peacefully, then I would highly recommend this set from Peace and Quiet. And that's my point of view.